What's good, boys? So we took a loss today, um, and it was a really good loss in my opinion. This is a trade that I would take 20 billion days out of the week. It's the exact same trade I took on Thursday and the exact same trade I took on Friday. It was just a little bit unfortunate, right? So first, I want to talk about this, right? I want to talk about this first. I'm already knowing everybody took this setup, right? 4 hours clearly bullish, right? Inverse this, bearish gap. We're inside this 4 hour bullish gap. Come down off market open, inverse this 1 minute gap. This was easy longs. That's just not my trading model. I just thought it was kind of cool. So we're in this first macro, right? This is where I took my trade. Let me just kind of draw this out for you guys. Right, we come up, okay? And we take out this prominent buy side key level, okay? We take out this high. We take out all this obvious highs, okay? If you zoom out on the chart, what are all the obvious highs on the chart, okay? This is an obvious high, this is an obvious high, and these are all obvious highs, and then this is an obvious high, right? So we took all these prominent buy side liquidity levels, and then what did I see? We got a shift below this low and a fair value gap, and it also happened on ES. So my entry model requirements are there. We've taken out a key level. We shifted a below a low on both assets, and we've shifted with a gap. So we've shifted with displacement, right? So if we've shifted with displacement, right, where should we go if we are going to continue higher on the day like how we did, right? We're going to come and take out these discounted liquidity levels, right? So my invalidation target was this. It really could have been this. It was kind of just, the invalidation is kind of just in this range of the discount, right? Um, you don't want price to trade into discount and then go back and like not take your IV. Like you don't want your IV to be down here or really even here, honestly. I feel like this was my IV. Looking back on this, I feel like my IV should have been this, right? My invalidation low, right? If price is going to continue up on the day, I'm predicting we're going to take that low and continue higher. Right, so what am I doing here? We're shifting, we're showing we're going to go lower. The lowest point we could go, in my opinion, is this before going higher, so everything's meeting up, right? Stops above this fair value gap. And then I target the first 1 minute low, swing low, but I only go for a 3 hour max, right? I'm not going to go for a 3.66, right? So I went for this 3 hour here. Um, And when do we get entry? We don't get entry on this candle because... No, we do get entry on this candle. Do we? No. So, on this candle right here, we haven't gotten entry because we haven't shifted below, right? So now we've shifted below this low, okay? We haven't taken any swing high, right? If we formed, a swing low. If we formed a swing low here and then took that swing low and then went back into the fair gap, I wouldn't take that because that would be a failed shift. We have to shift below every single swing low that we create, right? So we shift below this swing low here, have this gap, we come up, we retrace into it, we get a good reaction here. At this point, I'm pretty confident. Like, right here, I'm pretty confident in the trade, right? I'm like, okay, we've just put in a bearish order block, price should go here. My trailing stops was here, okay? And then we just kind of do this bullshit. I'm like, okay, we've just wicked it out. We've just gone all the way back up to the fair value gap and go back down. There's no reason to go back up. There's no reason. We should go down. Look at what happens. We do it again, and we're still not delivering. And then we get that, and then we get this, and then we get that. And when I've backtested this model, when you get entry and you consolidate like this, it's pretty much always an L. And it was only a matter of time before price continued upwards on the day. Never got a trade entry here. None of the other macros really provided anything for me. Again, this is the exact same trade I took on Thursday and Friday. I'm so happy with this loss. This is a 100% valid loss in my book. And yeah, dude, this headset's so annoying, man. This headset's so annoying. That's literally it. I feel good about today's trading day. This is an A plus setup. There's really nothing else to say besides to just take the L. If I was trading this from last week, I would have been on like a 4-win streak, so like we were kind of due for a loss here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's see what news we got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have nothing. We have some 8:30 a.m. bullshit news. So I think that's market open news. No, it's at 8:30. Yeah. So 8:30 news tomorrow. Pretty much nothing. Wednesday is NFE. Is that NFP? That might be NFP. I'm really waiting for CPI for my waiting for CPI for my accounts to full pour some accounts. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless.